So can you tell us who you are and what you're doing?
So can you guys explain what you're doing here, nice and loud?
We're going to we're going to see if the water. We're gonna measure the pan to see if the water could fall into the trash can, and then we're gonna measure it with this half cup to see how many cups it can measure this.
Okay, so you're putting water in a tray right now. Are you putting a certain amount in there?
Half.
Right, so you're filling the tray half, and then what are you going to do?
We're gonna pour the tube into the tap.
You're going to let the tube go in there, and then what?
Then we're gonna take the trash can there, put the
Okay, but before that, how long is the water going to be going?
10 seconds.
Well, for 10 seconds. So they're going to let the water run through the tube for 10 seconds into this blue trash can, and they're going to time it for 10 seconds to see how much water comes out, and then what?
And we're going to pour all the water into the measuring cup.
And then what?
Then we're gonna see how much ounces it is, and then we'll be done.
Then don't you have to do it again? And then how is that going to be different?
Because we're gonna pull it up for the all the way to the.
And so what are you trying to find out by doing it 2 different times? Half full one time and completely full the second.
The water could be more cups or less cups.
Okay, so will more water come out when it's half full or completely full? Okay?
Okay.
All right.
So before you start, can we get a close-up of that tray?
Yeah.
So my question is, boys and girls, is there any energy in that water right now? Anything moving?
No.
No. So what are they going to be creating in order to make it move? Right. Where are they getting the kinetic energy from?
When the water travels in the tube.
Right. When the water travels through the tube, that's when it's got kinetic energy. It looks like it's leaking all over the place. Don't we love experiments with water?
Yeah. Plus they made this themselves, so it's, the tape leaks.
It's interesting that this, that there are just issues with this experiment. We're having issues with our buoyancy,
Yes.
our hydro experiment
They're going
too.
to bring it back up to half full, and then we're just going to go for it, okay?
Okay, so
They're
what
going
you need
to
to
get
make
this
a
half full
prediction,
again. You can see, I don't know if you can see the red line.
and you just froze on us.
I think we lost connection.
We lost you.
When to go?
Oh, there we go. We lost you.
Oh, sorry. Are we back?
Yes.
Okay.
Make your prediction. Is it going to go, are we going to get more water when the container's half full or more water when it's totally full? Or will
Right.
it not make a difference at all?
Now they're going to measure out how much water's in the bin.
So this is half
Okay.
full. Who's in the
Set it
dock?
down. How
So
much
make
water's
sure you're
in
writing this down.
About 3.5 cups.
there? About 3.5 cups of water in 10 seconds.
3.5 cups in 10 seconds.
You can put it. I need to fill the tray all the way up,
Did you
right?
get that, docks, people? Giselle, did you get that? 3.5 cups in 10 seconds. And now all the way full?
By the way, what group do you have in the Google Doc?
Who are you again?
Wind.
Wind.
Wind Energy Group is in the Google Doc.
I just go by the wiki.
Oh, okay.
Whoever's underneath the group that's going today.
All right? We're going to go again before this leaks too much more. You ready?
Okay.
Got the timer going? There you go. Okay. So we'll go to 18. Stop. Okay? Measure the water.
Does it look like it was more?
Well, they're wondering if maybe it was less this time. We might redo that part. No, it was more. Okay, so that's a little bit more. Pour back until it's right at 4 cups. Okay, so that's 4 cups. You know, set it on the thing. Set it down. That's right on 4 cups. Okay, now spill that out. And then put the rest of the water in.
How are they measuring it if they only have a 4-cup container and it's more than 4 cups?
Set it down. How much?
Hello? How are they measuring it? They only have a 4-cup
1 1/3. So
cup.
4 plus 1 1/3. That's
5 1/3.
5 1/3 cups altogether.
Okay, did you get that, Google Doc people? 5 1/3 cups.